Hello, I'm Bob Allison, WB1GCM, here inside the ARRL screen room. Let's take a look at the Yaesu FTM 7250D. Here it is. In the box along with the radio, we found a few things. Got the manual. Look, a real manual. You don't have to go online to download a manual. I like that. We also got this programming cable. That's to upgrade the firmware. Some spare fuses and mounting hardware for the mounting bracket, which is here. I put it on the radio just to lift it up a little bit. And we also got the microphone clip right here. What I like about the radio, it's relatively easy to operate. All you have to do is turn the power on right over here. That's the frequency dial. I have it set up for 5 kilohertz steps. Your volume dial is here. And you just have to master 5 buttons on the front panel and a few buttons on the microphone. Let's start out with the mic. If you press the D button, like this, we can adjust the power higher or lower. Well, it's on high power now, so I'll press the down button. I'm on mid power and low power. Just click the mic, and we're now on low power on 146.52. The 2 buttons over here, the programmable buttons, these P3 and P4, you can assign the function of these buttons. The other buttons are for digital operation, and you have your normal keypad here. The band button is here. You can change the different bands that you want to receive on and or receive and transmit on. Just like that. Okay, and if you want to adjust the squelch, press and hold this band/squelch button. Press and hold. Now you can adjust the squelch level up and down. Whoops, let's try it again. Press and hold and up and down with the squelch level, just like that. Oh, look, one of our status lights lit up. These LEDs, there's a little bunch of them right here. Those are your status lights. They tell you what mode the incoming signal is, if it's FM or if it's digital, and also what you're transmitting. Alrighty, so what else do we have? Yeah, squelch is 0. Here we have the group monitor button, and the automatic band selection button is right here. The mode, switch between FM and digital over here. Digital IDs programmable here. You can press get out of here and press the megahertz button like that. And now I can adjust the megahertz over here on the frequency dial up and down like that. Look at that, I'm stepping up a megahertz. I can tune faster that way. Press it again. And over here is your VFO or memory. Between memory, I got memory channels in here now to toggle back to just the VFO where I can change the inputs, the modes, etc., and then store that later. Let's take a look at the back. Here's the back side of the FTM 7250D. Not much to see, but I will say that this is very rugged. This is a very dense, solid transceiver. We have heat sinks on the back. There's a lot of metal here. We have, of course, the SO239 antenna jack. We have a cooling fan, which is very quiet. An external speaker connection here, 1/4-inch plug. This is your DC power, which attaches to a 9.5-foot fused power cord. And then this jack is a USB jack for your, says data, but the manual says it's for updating the firmware in this transceiver. All right, let's see how it works on the air. CQ52. This is W1INF, Whiskey 1 India November Foxtrot. Listening 652.
Whiskey 1INF, this is W3MVP. Over.
W3MVP, this is W1INF. Name is Bob. I'm located in Newington, Connecticut. And I'd like a radio check, please. How am I sounding? Over. Hey, okay, great. Thank you very much. And stand by. I'll talk to you just in a minute. This is W1INF. There you go. That was easy. The FTM 7250 is suitable for both mobile and base station. I really like it because it has this front-facing speaker. That makes a big difference with sound and having the ability to put it in your ham shack. I'm Bob Allison, reminding you that the best promotion for amateur radio is to get on the air. So, get on the air and make some contacts. 73.